I'm Chef Anthony Marino, and I'm going to show you how to make cream cheese and vegetable pizza. During the summer months when gardens are overflowing with fresh vegetables like zucchini, peppers, and tomatoes, you're always looking for new recipes to use up all the fresh produce. If you're working out of your home kitchen, preheat the oven to 450 degrees and place a pizza stone on the middle rack of your oven. Use the back of a large spoon and spread the garlic and herb cream cheese mixture around the dough. The herb cream cheese has a pound of cream cheese, half cup of heavy cream, quarter cup of shallots, tablespoons of parsley, chives, and salt and pepper. Sprinkle mozzarella cheese around, then scatter the red peppers, zucchini, and tomatoes over the entire pizza. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil and sprinkle pecorino romano on top. There's nothing better than a cream cheese and vegetable pizza. You won't be able to stop at one slice.